Hi, I want to tell you a story about Sarah. Sarah is a Piqua resident who has worked hard and successfully raised her family here in Piqua. She was in her 60s and should have been enjoying life. However, she worried about the lump that she had found in her breast. She could not afford health insurance, so she did not have a primary care provider to call, nor could she afford a mammogram. She then met our team here at Health Partners. We connected her to the resources that provided screening and follow-up care without financially burdening her or her family. When Sarah's lump turned out to be breast cancer, we encouraged her and let her know that regardless of the outcome, she would be cared for. Sarah received quality care here locally without losing her home due to medical bills or losing her life due to cancer. This past holiday, her family gathered together, laughing and celebrating instead of grieving the empty chair at the table. Hi, I'm Joanne Barhorst. I'm a nurse practitioner at Health Partners Free Clinic.
And I'm Deborah Miller, the Executive Director at Health Partners.
We believe that folks in Piqua believe in family first. Would you raise your flags if you believe Piqua residents take care of their neighbors? If you also believe it's true that everyone deserves a long, healthy life regardless of financial status, please wave your banners.
Health Partners has been changing lives in our community for 20 years. Started as a small grassroots organization, the clinic has grown tremendously and yet has maintained our core mission of providing high-quality health care for the uninsured and underserved residents of Miami County. We know that the uninsured often go without care until they're in a state of crisis. They miss more days of work due to sickness, they live sicker, and they die younger. According to data from Census Finder, there are approximately 700 uninsured women in Piqua without any health care at all. These are women who do not routinely see a doctor, a dentist, or get their routine breast and cervical cancer screenings done. In fact, only less than 10% actually get their screenings done. That averages out to only 17 or 18 women per year out of 770. These are women in your neighborhood who, like Sarah, are putting off life-saving screenings because of access or cost. We want to help them understand that cancer doesn't wait and their screenings shouldn't either. Timing is everything. Just to demonstrate that, if breast cancer is identified before it has spread, there's a 99% chance that a woman will live 5 years or more. Similarly, if cervical cancer is detected early, the survival rate is 92%. But with a late diagnosis of breast cancer, that drops to only a 30% chance of surviving 5 years and a devastatingly low 18% for cervical cancer. Health Partners was recently awarded provider status with the Ohio Breast and Cervical Cancer Prevention Project, or BCCP. This means that we are a referral source for women in the entire southwestern region of the state. Think of Health Partners as the center of a wheel. We see a patient and provide screenings with help of Kettering Hospital, UVMC, and Ohio State University. Ohio Breast and Cervical Cancer pays for the testing and case management. And now we need your help. We need you to join our efforts and help us open a women's clinic where these 770 women living in Piqua can be screened and cared for in a timely manner. Think back to Sarah. She was lucky that she knew about Health Partners and came to us for treatment, but many other women have passed away needlessly. You can help change that here tonight. The cost to start this program is mostly one-time expenses. We need an exam table that goes up and down, a microscope, and we need to train our staff. A large ticket item is processing the labs, but we will be reimbursed for those labs, then use that reimbursement to pay for the next labs that we order. There will be a self-sustaining use of the funds to continue to pay for the expense. If Health Partners wins the pitch here tonight, and with your help, we will be opening a women's clinic as soon as this spring.
Regardless of the outcome of tonight's presentations, we ask you to please consider. Don't have that empty chair at the table at your next holiday gathering. Please ask the ladies you hold most near and dear to your heart when they had their last screenings. Thank you.
All right, our second runner-up, with 94 community votes, totaling $2,577.48, combined with the judges' scores to win a $5,000 grand prize, is Health Partners Free Clinic.